Hi everyone! Let's learn animal names and facts at the double waterfall. Elephant. An elephant's trunk can weigh 400 pounds. Cat. Cats have 32 muscles in each ear. Snake. Snakes sense vibrations in the ground to detect movement 100 meters away. Dragonfly. There are over 5,000 species of dragonfly. Mother pigs sing to their babies while nursing them. Sheep. Sheep's eyes have rectangular pupils. Axolotl. Axolotls can live for 10 to 15 years in the wild. Bird. Birds have hollow bones which helps them to fly. Alligator. Alligators have a bite force of up to 1,000 pounds per inch. Tortoise. Some Galapagos tortoises have been known to live for over 200 years. Blue shark. Blue sharks can grow up to 13 feet long. Duck. Ducks have been known to fly at heights of over 20,000 feet. Tiger. Tigers are the largest of all wild cats. Turtle. Baby sea turtles are called hatchlings. The smallest type of owl in the world is the elf owl. Parrot. There are around 372 different parrot species. Zebra. Zebras can run at speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour. Monkey. The largest species of monkey is the mandrill and the smallest is the pygmy marmoset. Peacock. There are three main species of peafowl: the Indian peacock, the green peacock, and the Congo peacock. Giraffe. Giraffes can run at up to 35 miles per hour for short distances. Thanks for watching.